What is going on, YouTube world? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we have a special video. The company SmartDevil, which is a company that I worked before with in the past, has a new product here. So if you're not familiar with SmartDevil, I have a video on the channel previously. I worked with them before. Basically, you have your phone, like a Pixel 9 here, for example. It's a super easy way of installing a screen protector. So they have a new version of that, and I am curious to see how the new version works. Now, if you have that question, yes, it's going to work for your iPhone. The fact that they have it for the Pixel 9 is actually pretty cool, and I have an extra one here. It's a Pixel 9 Pro XL version. So if any of you guys in the comment section below have the Pixel 9 XL, just let me know in the comments. I'll randomize it, and I'll go ahead and send it to you. It's really that simple. Nothing special about the giveaway. It's just the fact that I have an extra one here, thanks to them, and I will be giving it away. No strings attached. Just leave a comment saying you have a Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I'll send it to you. But anywho, it says literally on the box, quick installation screen protector. All right, so that should explain to you exactly what it is. But yeah, you can already tell immediately that the packaging that I had before versus what it looks like now, it's a big difference here. So enough talking. Get this thing open. Love when that happens. Let's see here. Boom. We offer better protection, is what the back of the box says there. So I do like the packaging as opposed to the other one. It's like more, minimalistic there. And then looks like we have an envelope. Oh, some more goodies. That's part of the box, and I'm sure. Film installation toolkit. Boom, boom, boom. And I think that's it. There's nothing else in the box. All right. So the box is now empty. Let me get this out of here. So let's look at fully what we have inside the box here. So we have 3 installation toolkits. All right. So I'm assuming you're going to have 3 screen protectors in there. I'm assuming, I don't know for sure. This is, I'm assuming, the tray. And this here is the SmartDevil. So this is the envelope bag with accessories. So look at this bag. I mean, this envelope is pretty cool. All right. Ooh, we got a good amount of stuff in here. All right. Pretty sure I don't need all of this. So warranty extension, barcodes for that. Step 1. Oh, it's step 1, step 2. So you get a couple screen protectors, and you get a camera lens protector. All right. And then inside of here, I believe, yep, there is a screen protector right there. Okay. So you get 3 screen protectors, and this is where you put your phone in, I'm assuming face down. All right, guys. So I think I figured it out. Literally just put your phone face down. It's pretty simple. And I went ahead and opened up one of the toolkits. So basically, you get a microfiber cleaning cloth, you get a wet wipe. So of course you can wipe your phone screen down there. Booyah, booyah. Get that little clean there. And then literally just take your phone, put it in there face down. All right. And I think it's pretty simple what happens here. So you just hold down, you push down here. All right, now this is the top of it. You push down there and you just pull the tab. All right, I think that's good there. Be careful on the end. All right, so you just hold it. Let's see. Looks like it's going towards the top now. Let me push down up there. Wait. All right, almost there. Come on. All right. Supposed to be installing with no air bubbles. Let's see. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. So just push that there. Boom. All right. So a little hiccup there at the end, but easily easy to fix that. You can see the top of it there. So my assumption is you lift this up. No, you don't lift that up. Pull this up. Oh yeah, just pull it up. Boom, snaps out. Oh, okay, that is really easy. So there's a little bit of bubbles in here, but you can rectify that easily. It's a little bit, not a lot. It's a little bit there. Let me see if I can fix that. All right, so then we just pull the top of it, and boom, we in there like swimwear. Look at that. That actually is really good. It's perfect. Look at that. Screen protectors installed. No air bubbles. Yeah. Another great product from SmartDevil. Now, in a situation where you make the mistake of not installing it correctly, because that can definitely happen. It's a simple process to reinstall another screen protector. So literally you just take it out of the packaging that it comes in, which is this little bag right here. And you see the top of it, right? It has ridges, like little ridges that protrude out there. So it's pretty simple. You literally just take the top of this here, and obviously it's not just gonna snap in because it's a securing little piece there. So you gotta literally roll it on there, like forcibly. You're gonna hear a little click, boom, boom, and the second one is on there. Because you want it to be secured in there, because when you're pulling, you don't want this to just come flying off the top as well. And so you guys can see it's already on there, all right? And then you take this bottom part here, push it up a little bit, and boom, you're ready for your next install. So you literally just put your phone face down, turn it over. Instruction says pull, you pull, 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 pull. Pull down to exhaust and wait 10 seconds, all right? Cover the phone. It's really simple. And yeah, another great product. I don't have any air bubbles with the installation, so I can definitely recommend SmartDevil. Once again, give a shout out to Rico for providing the product here. Definitely something that I recommend for users who always have trouble or a little bit of difficulty installing screen protectors. With the camera lens, I mean, that's pretty much self-explanatory. You shouldn't need a kit to install it on your phone, but let's see here. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It's pretty obvious. So I'm gonna rip this off. Ooh, yeah, some good adhesive right here. All right. I'm trying to install it from up here. It's kind of awkward. So let me see. I'm gonna try to get it like right on the, yeah. I think that's it right there. Boom. All right, so we got that installed. We give it a good wipe. Put some pressure on it real quick. Make sure that adhesive is on the camera housing. All right, we are looking good. And booyah, we should be good. It's not quite perfect, but that's installation error, but should still be able to use the camera, no problem. So yeah, camera lens is on there, sticking, no problem. Screen protector is on the phone, no air bubbles. Like I said, another great product from SmartDevil, and I can highly recommend them if you have an iPhone or a Pixel or even a Galaxy. I'm not 100% sure if they have the screen protectors for the Galaxies, but with it being a premium phone, pretty sure, it's in the works. But yeah, like I said, highly recommend them. And also, if you have a Pixel 9 XL, let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to literally put you guys' name into a randomized website or something like that. And whoever is selected, I will be sending you a email or a direct message on YouTube, however it works, and giving this away to you. Because ended up with two of these, or ended up with one that doesn't work for the Pixel 9 XL, so I don't have any use for it. So I'm going to give it away to one of you guys. But anywho, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.